If you are a Core 4 teacher or World Languages teacher, you will be taking attendance in SIS for your synchronous sessions on Wednesdays and Fridays. For all other teachers, you are not required to do synchronous learning sessions, and so you will not be taking attendance in SIS. For the asynchronous days, we are also not required to take attendance. So what I'm about to show you only applies for synchronous sessions for Core 4 teachers and for World Languages teachers. So I'm going to hover over attendance and click on list. After my class concludes and I'm no longer in Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, I can log into the VPN and click into SIS. Then whenever I click on students who did not attend my session, it will give me a new code. So VSN stands for Virtual Session Non-Participation. I'm going to put this in for students who did not participate in my session. The other option is that they're just there. So those are the only two options that we now have. And when you're done, you'll click Save. I do want to take a moment to go over some information about why we're taking attendance in SIS. So synchronous session data can be used to identify students to be contacted when they're not participating and to monitor participation in sessions across FCPS. So it's going to give us some good data. But more than that, it helps us to see which students we need to be in contact with just to check in and make sure they're okay. I know that we're all very concerned about our students, but this can help to give us some data to see which homes we're trying to contact to see if there's support that students may need. The last thing that I want to show you is how to pull attendance reports from your Blackboard Collaborate Ultra sessions in SIS. You don't need to frantically write down notes of who is in your session and who is actually participating. Whenever you go into the Blackboard Collaborate Scheduler site and you go to your classroom, I'm going to use my virtual office hours room as a demo here. You'll see the three dots on the right. Click that. In the drop down here, we have View Reports. Click that. And for the day in question, you'll see there is an attendance report on the right here. So know that this does take some time to load, but it should show up after a while. And you can click this to see who participated in your session, and it will come across the bottom here if you need to see more of who was there.